morning. I'm here with a new set of poetic devices. So welcome back. I'm here going to deal today with a few more poetic devices which are asked in your examination. So I feel that you should not only learn for your exam to score marks, but you should also learn to explore more and more. That is the beauty of language, When you know, you can explore and you can spread, share. So here we are again with poetic devices. Another one is I have written onomatopoeia. I have written the pronunciation also. See, it is onomatopoeia. Alright. So if I see here, this is not the spelling of it, but I have written for you to pronounce correctly. So it is onomatopoeia. Alright. But correct spelling is this. So please write the correct spelling. To make it simple for you, I have spelled the word this way. Fine. So what is onomatopoeia? It is actually a word that sounds like the object. If I want to say something, to explain something, how will I explain the sound of it? So that device is onomatopoeia. Object or action it refers, like buzz, जो मधुमक्खी होती है, any bees, that buzz का जो sound होता है, that is when it is coming in the lines of the poem, then you should understand it is onomatopoeia. Alright. Second is chirp, जो चिड़िया चहचहाने की जो आवाज आती है, so that is the sound. Same sound is reflected by the birds when they are chirping. Next is hiss. Snakes, they make the hiss wala sound. So that is. So whenever this sounding words, when it is relating to any object in the line, that is onomatopoeia. Alright. Next is imagery. Now if I talk about imagination, the poet will not be able to draw. Yes, if he wants to tell us that he has imagined here the sense of sound or the sense of to see, the sight, तो वो कैसे explain करेंगे? Words से explain करेंगे. So here imagery. That is why that poetic device is called imagery. Two reasons. First is images of those which is sense of sight, which is telling us about the sense of sights. We need to visualize it, imagine sense of sights. So वो कैसे करेंगे? The poets will not draw beta. तो वो क्या? What they will do? They will use the words. Example देखो, leaves. So you can imagine कि वहाँ पे leaves है. Yellow woods. Woods here मतलब forest, where the leaves have become yellow. ठीक है? Endless fountain of immortal drink. So we imagine कि there is a fountain, endless, it is not ending. ठीक है? Now second is images of sense of sound. तो वो music तो बजा नहीं सकते. He will not create the sound, not possible. He cannot introduce audio in between or audio of that particular thing which he wants to explain. So what he does, he uses the words. So these words which are creating an imagination is imagery. Alright. So here images of sound and images of sights. Images of sounds में देखो, it is talking, I shall be telling this with a sigh. Sigh means to take a deep breath. That is sigh. So to assure that it is a sound, the word is used sigh. Is that clear? Fine. Now Now next it is talking about assonance. थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनेंगे. Assonance आपके क्लास 9th में 10th में there in a few poems it is given. So assonance क्या होता है? Similarity in sound. कहाँ पे? Between the vowels. कोई वर्ड लिखा हुआ है एंड उस वर्ड में जो वॉवल है वो सेम होता है नेबरिंग वर्ड्स में. नेबरिंग वर्ड्स मतलब एक के बाद एक जो वर्ड्स लिखा हुआ है उसमें जो वॉवल साउंड कर रहा है वन आफ्टर अनदर सेम साउंड, देन इट इज assonance. एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे. हियर इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन, सिमिलैरिटी इन साउंड बिटवीन वॉवल्स. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मिडल ऑफ द नेबरिंग वर्ड्स, बीच में आता है. जो साउंड वॉवल का साउंड कहाँ आएगा? वर्ड के बीच में. एंड इट इज अबाउट ऑल द वर्ड्स, नेबरिंग वर्ड्स, एक के बाद एक. एग्जाम्पल, एंड हैविंग, ए का साउंड आ रहा है. देन परहैप्स, सी इट इज द साउंड ऑफ वॉवल्स. कितने? 3 वर्ड्स में, नेबरिंग वर्ड्स, आजू बाजू. ठीक है, तो साउंड इट हैज टू बी वॉवल, तब है assonance. ऑलराइट. देन नेक्स्ट इज though, for, again it is sounding vowel. So when you hear the sound of vowel in the middle of any word, 2 or 3 words, एक के बाद एक, then freely write assonance. Okay.